Ang sabi ng dog? Anong sabi ng cat? Ming, ming, ming. Anong sabi ng snake? Very good. Anong sabi ng cow? Very good. Anong sabi ng frog? Beans? Beans. Sabi ng frog? Kokak. Anong sabi ng goat? Me. Sabi ng goat? Me. Very good. Where is your eyes? Eyes. Where is your nose? Nose. Very good. Where is your teeth? Teeth. Tongue. Where's your tongue? Tongue. Very good. Where's your cheeks? Cheeks. Very good. Where's your ears? Ears. Very good. Where is your hair? Hair. Very good. Where's your neck? Where's your neck? Very good. How about your tummy? Vince? Vince? Where's your tummy? Tummy. Very good. Where's your hands? Hands. Very good, Vince. Where's your feet? Feet, where? Hindi ko makita. Same feet. Vince. Same feet. Ayun pala. Where's your elbow? Elbow. Very good. Where's your shoulder? Same shoulder. Mamaya na watch ng TV. Same shoulder. Shoulder. Very good.